How to stop leading zeros from disappearing in Microsoft Excel. If you want to prevent leading zeros from disappearing in Excel sheet, this video is for you. In your Excel sheet, when we enter any digit in any of our cells, let's say for example when we enter 0244, we could notice that the preceding zeros has disappeared. Or when we enter 0266, we could also notice that the preceding zero has disappeared, and that will appear for any preceding zeros alphabet. So we could see that any of the cells, when we enter any digit that precedes with 0, the preceding 0 will end up disappearing. I'm going to show you how to prevent this from happening. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. So let's highlight the cells that we want to enter any alphabet that will go with a preceding 0. In this case, this is the cells that I've selected. Then proceed to right click. Among the list of options, continue to select on format cells, and with this selected, make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate text and select it. After that, continue to tap on OK. After formatting these cells with text, now anytime I enter any digit that has a preceding value for 0, the 0 will maintain. So when we enter any preceding 0 digit, the 0 will end up maintaining. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.